Hi, I'm Emilia from Stair Lift Comparison, and today we're going to do a demonstration. They're a great addition to any home, allowing you to keep your independence. So when you're ready to use the stair lift, it's really simple to use. Just pull the seat down, adjust the arms in place, and clip yourself into the chair using the seatbelt for safety. There's a switch on either arm, so whether you're left or right-handed, you can be in control of the stair lift. When you're ready to move, just push the switch, wait a second because there's a delay for safety, and the stair lift will be on its way. When you reach the top of the stairs, pull the lever on your right down. Swivel the chair round so it's in line with the top step. Pull the lever back up so it clips the stair lift into place. Unclip the seatbelt and remove yourself from the chair. When the stair lift is not in use, it's really simple to put away using its foldable components. Just push the seat, the arms and the footrest up, and this allows enough walking space for other people to use the stairs when the lift is not in use. With every stair lift installation, you are given 2 remote controls. This means you can keep one remote upstairs and one downstairs, so you can call the stair lift to you at any time at a click of a button. When you have relatives or family members over and you don't want the stair lift on display, the other great thing about this remote is you can just send the stair lift upstairs. The great thing about the stair lifts and Stair Lift Comparison is that we work with reputable companies that offer extended warranty and next day fitting, so you can be confident to buy a stair lift at the right price for you.